In this video, I'll be discussing staying connected. But hey, if you're new here and we're meeting for the first time, my name is Anthony Fleischmann, and I'm a full-time voiceover artist here in Baltimore, Maryland. And I provide tips, tricks, and tools to help you grow your voiceover business. So consider subscribing if you're not already. All right, let's get into the video now. So staying connected. Well, what in the world am I talking about, right? That could mean so many things, but it's really quite simple. An Ethernet cord, right? If you have a voiceover business, you need to stay connected with an Ethernet cable, right? An Ethernet cable will provide you consistent, reliable internet connections way more than any wireless connection could possibly dream of. Just look at what businesses are doing, right? They're using modems. Okay, back in the day, there used to be two things, modems and routers. The modem was the initial thing, right? The wire came in to the modem, right? And then you could take an Ethernet cord from that modem and run it directly into your computer, and you're good to go. You do not even need a router, okay? Completely unnecessary. A wireless router is completely unnecessary. You may want it for convenience, okay? But the more things that you have connected to your wireless router, the more that you're going to have issues, okay? Because typically in today's atmosphere, in today's world, right, most wireless routers are also acting as a combo between a modem and a wireless router, okay? So it's important to understand a wireless router is completely unnecessary. What is necessary is a modem, okay? And that's all you need, okay? Again, the more things that you have connected to your wireless network, the more problems you're going to have, okay? So save all of those headaches, alleviate all of those headaches, connect directly into a modem, run it right into your computer, you're good to go, okay? Now, if you don't want to just stick to the modem, which is the best possible solution for a business, okay, and you do want to have the added benefits of a wireless router, the good thing is most modems and routers and wireless routers are combined in today's market. That's what we currently have. We have a wireless router / modem combo. Okay. But, and I just ran the wire, the Cat 7 wire right up to my computer. And then I turned off all of the Wi-Fi, all of the Bluetooth, just as an added layer and measure of protection to get those signals out of here. I don't need extra signals. You don't need extra signals bouncing around, potentially affecting your audio file. Most businesses, right, are relying on wired connections to get their jobs done. It's safe, it's reliable, it's dependable, and there's typically not a lot of issues with a wired connection, okay? A lot more secure, a lot more stable, okay? You don't want signals bouncing around, potentially interfering with what is going on in your audio, okay? It's just an extra layer of added protection that you're adding to ensure the highest quality audio file that you can. And it's really important to remember this. You don't want to get out there and start moving forward with your business and then start to develop some irregularities, let's just say. When I had first gotten the Apollo Twin and I started to try and mess around with the plugins, use the plugins, everything seemed to work pretty good. But as I started to do a little bit more, occasionally I would have some inconsistencies. And I was wondering, I kept trying to figure out what's going on here. And I finally realized it was my internet connection. Here's the deal with something like the Apollo Twin. you can use the audio interface in and of itself, or you can use it in conjunction with plugins that are internet based. Okay. So if you're using internet based plugins, you got to have stable, reliable internet. And at the time, I was only using my Wi-Fi. I completely forgot all about it. So this is just a quick reminder. You want to provide the best possible product and service for your customers. So stay connected with an Ethernet cable, right? A Cat7 cable. Okay. Don't mess up and forget about it like I did. Make sure that you have that. If you're doing a live session, if you're going and using an internet-based plugin, make sure you're connected, right? And even those that are doing video marketing, live streaming, right? Make sure that you're connected via an Ethernet cable, okay? It's really important to stay connected, have that stability, to have that reliability. You don't want to keep fading in and out. You don't want to depend on signals that might be blocked. An Ethernet cable solves all of that, okay? That's another quick little tip here today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Remember, stay connected, stay moving forward, stay about your business, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. I know most of my views come through searches, and a lot of people aren't subscribed that are watching my videos. So take a minute, consider subscribing. You're going to get more tips, tricks, and tools just like this video. All right, until the next video, I'll see you.